Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn ABCD. Black color, light yellow color, orange color, dark blue color, brown color, red color, pink color and sky blue color. Let's start. A for apple. A for apple. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. B for bus. B for bus. C for candy. C for candy. C for carrot. C for carrot. D for doll. D for doll. D for donkey. D for donkey. E for eggplant. E for eggplant. E for egg. E for egg. F for frog. F for frog. F for fish. F for fish. G for girl. G for girl. G for goat. G for goat. H for house. H for house. H for home. H for home. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. I for eyes. I for eyes. J for joker. J for joker. J for jug. J for jug. So kids, what we learn today? We learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.